In 2002, Elon Musk founded SpaceX with a bold vision. He had a simple yet powerful vision. Musk wanted to make humanity a multi-planetary species, starting with Mars. This ambitious goal required overcoming immense challenges and obstacles. Space travel was notoriously expensive and inefficient. Musk believed in challenging the status quo and disrupting norms. He knew innovation was key to making space accessible to all. SpaceX, from its inception, aimed to revolutionize space exploration forever. Musk's passion for space ignited in his childhood years. He dreamt of rockets and Martian colonies as a young boy. This passion fueled his unwavering belief in human potential and capability. He saw space exploration as essential to our future survival. SpaceX set out with the audacious goal of colonizing Mars one day. This ambition drove the company's early development and growth. It pushed the boundaries of technology and engineering forward. The company focused on creating reusable rockets to cut costs. This was a revolutionary concept in the realm of spaceflight. SpaceX's early years were marked by both setbacks and triumphs alike. The company faced skepticism from industry veterans and experts. Traditional aerospace companies doubted their ambitious goals and plans. However, Musk's unwavering determination and the team's hard work slowly started to shift perceptions and change minds. SpaceX's first rocket was the Falcon 1. This rocket marked the beginning of a new era in space exploration, driven by the vision of making space travel more accessible and affordable. The Falcon 1 was not just a rocket, it was a symbol of innovation and determination. This two-stage liquid-fueled rocket was designed for low Earth orbit. It was a significant milestone for SpaceX, showcasing their ability to develop and launch a rocket from scratch. The Falcon 1's design was a testament to the ingenuity and hard work of the SpaceX team. It represented a significant departure from traditional rockets. Unlike its predecessors, the Falcon 1 was built with a focus on cost-effectiveness and reusability. This innovative approach set SpaceX apart in the aerospace industry, challenging the status quo and pushing the boundaries of what was possible. The Falcon 1 was smaller and more affordable. Its compact size and lower cost made it an attractive option for smaller payloads and missions that didn't require the capabilities of larger, more expensive rockets. This democratized access to space, opening up new opportunities for research and commercial ventures. It was built with simpler systems, focusing on reliability and efficiency. The design philosophy behind the Falcon 1 was to create a rocket that was not only effective but also easy to manufacture and maintain. This approach allowed SpaceX to iterate quickly and improve their designs with each launch. The development of the Falcon 1 was fraught with challenges. From technical hurdles to financial constraints, the journey was anything but smooth. The team faced numerous setbacks, each one a test of their resolve and commitment to their mission. The company faced technical difficulties and funding shortages. These obstacles threatened to derail the entire project. But the SpaceX team remained undeterred. They worked tirelessly, often under immense pressure, to overcome each challenge and keep the dream of affordable space travel alive. The first 3 launches of the Falcon 1 failed. Each failure was a devastating blow, both financially and emotionally. The team had to analyze the causes of each failure, learn from their mistakes, and make the necessary adjustments to improve the rocket's performance. These failures put immense pressure on the fledgling company. The stakes were high and the future of SpaceX hung in the balance. The team knew that they had to succeed, not just for themselves, but for the future of private space exploration. Doubts about SpaceX's capabilities grew within the industry. Many experts were skeptical that a private company could achieve what had traditionally been the domain of government space agencies. The failures only fueled these doubts, casting a shadow over SpaceX's ambitious goals. Despite the setbacks, SpaceX persevered. The team was driven by a shared vision and a relentless pursuit of excellence. They worked long hours, often late into the night, collaborating and problem-solving to find solutions to the challenges they faced. The team learned from each failure, constantly iterating and improving their designs. This iterative process was crucial to their eventual success. Each launch, whether successful or not, provided valuable data that informed the next iteration of the rocket. Musk's leadership and unwavering belief in their mission kept the team motivated. His vision for the future of space travel inspired the team to push through the toughest times. Musk's hands-on approach and willingness to take risks were instrumental in driving the project forward. They were determined to achieve their goal of reaching orbit. The team's dedication and hard work were fueled by a shared belief in the importance of their mission. They knew that their success would pave the way for future innovations in space travel. The fourth launch of the Falcon 1 in 2008 became a defining moment for SpaceX. This successful launch was the culmination of years of hard work, perseverance, and innovation. It was a moment of triumph that validated the team's efforts and proved that their vision was achievable. The rocket successfully reached orbit, a historic achievement for a privately funded company. This milestone demonstrated that private companies could play a significant role in space exploration. It was a breakthrough that opened the door to new possibilities and inspired a new generation of space enthusiasts. This success proved SpaceX's capabilities and silenced many critics. The industry took notice and the perception of private space companies began to shift. SpaceX had shown that with determination, innovation, and the right leadership, even the most ambitious goals could be achieved. It marked a turning point in the company's history. The success of the Falcon 1 laid the foundation for future projects and established SpaceX as a formidable player in the aerospace industry. It was the beginning of a journey that would see SpaceX achieve even greater heights in the years to come. The success of the Falcon 1's fourth launch was more than a technological triumph. It marked a pivotal moment in the history of space exploration, showcasing the potential of private companies to achieve what was once thought to be the exclusive domain of government agencies. This launch was a beacon of hope and a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. It was a testament to SpaceX's resilience and unwavering commitment to their goals. The engineers and team members who had poured their hearts and souls into this project were finally seeing the fruits of their labor. Their celebrations were not just for a successful launch, but for the validation of years of hard work, sleepless nights, and relentless problem solving. The company had overcome numerous setbacks and near bankruptcy. Elon Musk, the visionary behind SpaceX, had invested his personal fortune to keep the dream alive. The factory floor was a hive of activity, with engineers and technicians working tirelessly to perfect their designs. Financial documents showed the precarious position the company had been in, making this success all the more significant. This success validated their approach and fueled their determination. The cheers and celebrations were a release of pent-up emotions, a collective sigh of relief, and a renewed sense of purpose. It was a moment that would be etched in the memories of everyone involved, a defining chapter in the SpaceX story. This achievement had significant implications for the future of space exploration. It demonstrated that with the right vision, determination, and resources, private companies could achieve what was once thought impossible. The sight of the rocket at the launch pad, ready to pierce the night sky, was a symbol of the dawn of a new era in space technology. It demonstrated that private companies could compete with government agencies. The comparison between NASA and SpaceX highlighted the different approaches and the potential for collaboration and competition to drive innovation. The mission control room buzzed with activity, a testament to the meticulous planning and execution that had gone into this mission. SpaceX's success inspired a new generation of space entrepreneurs. Young engineers and startups looked to SpaceX as a beacon of what was possible. The energy and enthusiasm in the industry were palpable, with new companies emerging, each with their own dreams of reaching the stars. It paved the way for a more dynamic and commercially driven space industry. Conferences and gatherings of space entrepreneurs became more frequent, with discussions centered around innovation, collaboration, and the future of space travel. The assembly of rockets became a common sight, a testament to the growing industry. Following the success of the Falcon 1, SpaceX secured a crucial contract with NASA. This partnership was a significant milestone, providing the company with the necessary funding and support to continue their ambitious projects. The handshake between SpaceX and NASA representatives symbolized a new era of collaboration between public and private sectors. This contract provided funding and support for SpaceX's next-generation rocket, the Falcon 9. The development of the Falcon 9 was a massive undertaking involving countless hours of research, testing, and refinement. Engineers worked diligently, knowing that the success of this rocket would determine the future trajectory of the company. The Falcon 9 was designed to be more powerful and capable than its predecessor. It featured advanced engines and a larger payload capacity, making it suitable for a wide range of missions. The sight of the Falcon 9 on the launch pad was a testament to the progress SpaceX had made in a relatively short period. It would become the workhorse of SpaceX's future endeavors. The successful launches of the Falcon 9 demonstrated its reliability and versatility. It was a rocket that could be used for a variety of missions, from satellite deployment to resupplying the International Space Station. The Falcon 9 represented a significant leap forward in rocket technology. It incorporated the latest advancements in engineering and material science, making it one of the most advanced rockets of its time. The innovations in the Falcon 9 set new standards for the industry. It incorporated lessons learned from the Falcon 1, featuring enhanced engines and a larger payload capacity. The engineers at SpaceX had taken the challenges and setbacks of the Falcon 1 and turned them into opportunities for improvement. The result was a rocket that was more efficient, reliable, and capable. However, the most revolutionary aspect of the Falcon 9 was its reusability. This innovation had the potential to drastically reduce the cost of space travel, making it more accessible and sustainable. The successful landing of the Falcon 9 on a drone ship was a historic moment, demonstrating the feasibility of reusable rocket technology and paving the way for the future of space exploration. Reusability was central to SpaceX's vision of reducing the cost of space travel. Elon Musk, the founder of SpaceX, envisioned a future where space travel would be as routine and cost-effective as air travel. This ambitious goal required a radical shift in how rockets were designed and operated. Traditionally, rockets were expendable, used only once before burning up in the atmosphere. This single-use approach meant that every launch required a brand new rocket, which was both costly and inefficient. This made spaceflight incredibly expensive. The high costs limited the frequency of missions and the scope of what could be achieved in space exploration. SpaceX aimed to change this paradigm with the Falcon 9. The Falcon 9 was designed with reusability in mind, particularly focusing on the first stage of the rocket, which is the most expensive part. The first stage of the Falcon 9 was designed to return to Earth and land vertically. This concept was revolutionary and required overcoming significant engineering challenges. This required complex maneuvers and precise control. The rocket had to withstand the intense heat and pressure of re-entry, then slow down and navigate to a designated landing site. Initial attempts at landing the Falcon 9 were met with mixed results. Some landings were successful, while others ended in dramatic failures. Some landings ended in explosions, while others were successful. Each attempt provided valuable data that SpaceX used to refine their technology and improve their landing techniques. However, SpaceX persevered, constantly refining their technology and learning from each attempt. The iterative process of testing, failing, analyzing, and improving was crucial to their success. They made incremental improvements with each launch. Every mission brought them closer to their goal of reliable and cost-effective reusable rockets. The landings became more precise, the technology more reliable. SpaceX's engineers worked tirelessly to perfect the landing process, ensuring that each component functioned flawlessly. Finally, in 2015, SpaceX successfully landed a Falcon 9 first stage for the first time. This historic event was a testament to their dedication and innovative spirit. This achievement marked a historic milestone in space exploration. It proved that reusable rockets were not just a theoretical concept, but a practical reality. It demonstrated that reusable rockets were not just a dream, but a viable reality. The successful landing and reuse of the Falcon 9 opened up new possibilities for space travel. The ability to recover and reuse rocket components drastically reduced the cost of spaceflight. This breakthrough made space more accessible and allowed for more frequent missions. It opened up new possibilities for more frequent and ambitious missions. SpaceX's success with reusable rockets has paved the way for a new era in space exploration, where the stars are within reach for humanity.